Today I'm going to show you how to use the Pure Tone Viveca Ultrasonic Facial Cleansing Brush. It's a powerful tool designed to give you smoother, clearer and healthier skin. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Inside, you'll find a user guide to get you started, the Viveca brush and a wireless charging dock. Let's take a closer look at the Viveca brush. It's lightweight and fits comfortably in your hand. It features a wireless charging dock. Just place it in here and let it charge. To turn it on, simply hold the power button for 2 seconds. You can adjust the vibration intensity by pressing it again. The soft silicone bristles gently cleanse while delivering ultrasonic waves deep into your pores. The Viveca brush is packed with cutting-edge technology, including ultrasonic technology, generates 1 million ultrasonic waves per second to deeply cleanse pores, remove impurities and boost collagen production for firmer, more youthful skin. Galvanic Ion Technology uses positive and negative ions to attract and remove dirt whilst enhancing skincare absorption. 3D vibration cleansing delivers 10,000 vibrations per minute to lift away any dirt and oil while stimulating circulation. LED light therapy. Red light stimulates collagen and improves skin elasticity for a radiant glow. Now let's get started. Wet your skin with warm water and apply your favourite cleanser. Hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn the Viveca brush on. Then press again to select your preferred vibration level. Press the brush lightly against your skin and begin cleansing in small circular motions, starting from the centre of your face and working outward. The combination of ultrasonic waves, 3D vibrations and galvanic ion technology works to dislodge dirt, oil and makeup, giving you a deep salon quality cleanse. Once finished, rinse with warm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Apply your favourite serum or moisturiser to lock in hydration. The Pure Tone Viveca Ultrasonic Facial Cleansing Brush takes just a few minutes a day to leave your skin feeling cleaner, smoother and more radiant. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments and be sure to check out the website for full details. Happy cleansing!